In this video, we will design this 50 mm 45-degree elbow. So let's see how we can design this. First of all, once we created a new part, we will change its background to the plain white, and then we'll start with a front plane sketch. Here, let me draw one center line like this. Now, I'll draw one center point arc. Select this point as a center point and start from the origin and draw one arc like this. Now I will draw another center line from this point and join it to this point. Okay. Now let's assign angle between these two lines. For that, select Smart Dimension, select this line and horizontal line. Give this angle 45-degree. Okay. And let's assign dimension to this arc 108 mm radius. Select. Now we'll go to features, and from the features we have to select swept boss. In this, we'll select circular profile, then select the sketch, and here we have to give diameter 57.8 mm. Okay. Now we'll select this face sketch. Here, let's draw one circle from this center point like this. Smart dimension and give diameter to this circle 108 mm. Now we have to fully define this sketch. For that, select this center point and select this edge. Make them concentric. Okay. So now our sketch is fully defined. We have to create another circle, so that we'll draw a circle like again. Make this circle for construction. Select here construction geometry, and you can see it's in a construction line. Now assign dimension to this 88 diameter. Okay. Now let's draw another circle on this point like this. Smart dimension 6.6 mm diameter. Select circular sketch pattern. Select this circle, but you can see its center point is selecting this origin point, but we don't want this. We want around this circle, so that clear selections here, and then I'll select this point, and you can see it's on this circle. Here I will give 8 numbers. Okay. Now let's fully define this. For that, smart dimension, this point to center point distance we have to give. Just take as it is. Okay. Then this center point to this center point, this vertical distance. Okay. And now we can see it is fully defined. Escape this. Now we will go to features, and from that we will select Extruder boss. The extrude direction in the upward direction, but we want it in the downward direction. For that, we will change its direction, reverse, and we can see it's in a reverse direction. Keep line and give here distance 11.50 mm, then select OK. Now same as it is, we have to create this flange on this surface. So we'll select this face, sketch, Same as it is, let's draw here one circle, another circle like this. Smart dimension 108 diameter, and this circle diameter 88 Okay. Now select this circle for construction. Okay. Let's draw another circle on this point. Dimension 6.66 diameter. Enter. Now select circular sketch pattern. Just select this circle and you can see its center point is selected as this point, and same as it is, give your 8 numbers. 360-degree equal spacing we have to keep here. Then select OK. Smart dimension, this point to origin distance. OK. Then the center point to the center point. Vertical distance. OK. Now features, select extruded boss. Reverse its direction. OK. Same as it is 11.50 blind. OK. Now we have to cut a 50 diameter circle through all this curve, so that we will select now cut, select circular profile, and for the sketch we will select the sketch. Give your diameter 50 and OK. So you can see our part is ready. So now let's give some appearance to this model. For that, we will select from here appearance, appearances, metal, and from the metal we will select steel and select polished steel. Double click on it and you can see the appearance. Okay. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this tutorial. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.